But we're going to go see the wiggly guy, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We love you, Hannah.
What's Nana doing?
It looks like she's cleaning some stuff out and getting things from her purse. I missed you very much, Hannah, though.
Did you hiccup?
I did hiccup right there. Yeah. And when I go back home, I think of you all the time, okay?
Okay.
I love you so much.
But when you go back home, and then you can hiccup.
And then I'll hiccup, yeah, on the phone when we talk, okay? Okay. Okay. But now we're gonna go for a short drive, and then we're gonna go back home to your house, okay? And then Nana and I are gonna go back home. Okay?
Okay. Because I took a very long drive with her.
Because you took a really long drive with us?
Uh-huh.
That what, babe?
A very long drive, I said.
Yeah, we're gonna take a drive together.
Yeah, then I go see a wiggly guy.
And then we're gonna see a wiggly guy. Absolutely. And then we're gonna go back and you get to see Mama. And then Nana and I are gonna go back home, and then we'll come back over again soon, okay? Are you okay?
I'm trying to get these up.
Trying to get those up?
So we can get air on us.
So we can get air on us? Okay. Well, we need Nana to come back in the car, and then we'll turn the air on, okay?